Hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another live trading explanation video of those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instruments. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. And I have to do a put here. Yes, I'm going to do a put here because we got here an evening star. After the evening star, almost starting a downtrend, and this candlestick here got a rejection from the middle Bollinger Band, and it closes in red. It's looking a little bit like a pin bar. Yes, not really nice pin bar, because this candlestick has a small wick only, yes, but it's still a pin bar, and it's still telling me that we have here selling pressure, and that's the reason why I did a put immediately, because I'm expecting a red candle after this kind of downtrend. That is what I'm expecting. That is what I have explained also in my ebook, where I talked about the 4 keys: the trend, the key level, the candlestick pattern, and the rejection. Yes, and that is what this trade is all about. So let's see, it will be maybe a close one. Yes, you see it came back. No, it was not a close one. So, but I would do another put if price goes above the round number. So let's see, if price will go above the round number, I will do a put immediately. So let's see. It has to go above the round number before the purchase time is passing by. So another few seconds. No, it doesn't go above this level, so I will wait, because I'm expecting that price will retrace, yes, and go above this finishing here, because you see how this candlestick is not moving at all down. Now it's moving. Okay, so I missed this maybe. No, I think it's coming up again. I am not expecting that this will be a good red candle. And you see, that was the reason why I want to wait, yes, to get a higher entry point. So let me see what's going on here. I have to understand first. Okay, we got the consolidation area. I will do a call now, because we got here in a consolidation area, and I'm expecting that this next candle will be a green one. As you see how the Bollinger squeeze is getting here together, but this could be also only a retracement, yes, of this downtrend, which will come after the breakout. Yes, it could be happening also a breakout soon. So let's see what will happen. Yes, another 27 seconds. It's a long time in such a consolidation area. Yes, after Bollinger squeeze, 26 seconds can't be really long, and everything can happen, because the movements are really great, big movements. Yes, and you see this looks again like a close in the money. Yes, because the market is here in a consolidation area. So this candlestick is not telling me something. I'm not really sure what's going on. I would do a call here in this situation. Yes, yes, a call for, okay, no, not anymore. So what's this here? This looking like we get now a breakout. Yes, so I will wait to get a higher entry point, and then I will do a put. Yes, okay, I do a put. I'm expecting that price will go down now, so I have a nice entry point, and that should be in the money too. Nice trend continuation, yes. Nice after a retracement, a nice continuation trade. That trades here are all based on those things which I have shown you in the ebook. Yes, I will show you this now here. That is this stuff here. Engulfing candle. Yes, in this case it was a evening star, and then the downtrend. Yes, the 4 keys. I got a question in the comment section of somebody who told me he tries to trade the 4 keys, but he fails. If you do so, post those screenshots of your trades in the Facebook group so that we can analyze them, yes, and then we can help you to increase your trading style. Okay, so that was this one. Yes, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section and join the Facebook group. I can only recommend to anybody to join the Facebook group. There you get more insight, more information about how to trade, and also other opinions, not only my opinions and my trading style, also other trading styles, which are also based on price action. And you know, it's almost better to get from everywhere something than only from one source. So I would say that was this one. So join the Facebook group, subscribe to my channel, and so I would say stay safe and bye bye.